In this video, I'll show you AutoEurope Tutorial 2025, how to find the cheapest car rentals worldwide first. Click the link in the description to visit the official website. Once the page opens, you'll see the home page. It should look similar to what you see here. To book a car with AutoEurope, start by visiting their website at autoeurope.eu. Enter your pickup location and the date and time you want to collect the car. Then add your drop-off location along with the return date and time. Click on Get Your Quote to see available options. You can choose from various car types such as mini, economy, mid-size, large, estate, van, or luxury. Once you've selected your preferred car, click Book Now. Next, choose any additional features or protection packages, such as full damage protection or breakdown cover, or continue without them. You may be prompted to upgrade your car. Select No if you prefer to skip this. Then fill in the driver's details, name, age, email, etc., and your billing information to proceed with payment. Finally, click Confirm, and your booking will be complete. So don't wait. Click the link in the description, grab your discount code, and start saving today. If you found this guide helpful, click the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials and exclusive deals.